Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest streaming bundles out there, the Hulu Disney bundle. If you're ready to unlock a world of entertainment, stick around because I'm going to guide you through the process of activating Hulu with the Disney bundle. Let's get started. 1. The first step is to head over to the Hulu website. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button if you're a new user, or log in if you already have an account. 2. Next, navigate to your account settings. Look for the option to manage your subscription or add-ons. 3. Now, select the option to add a subscription or bundle. You should see the Disney bundle listed there along with Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN. 4. After selecting the Disney bundle, you'll be prompted to activate your Hulu account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Conclusion. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully activated Hulu with the Disney bundle. Now you can enjoy all your favorite shows, movies, and sports content in one convenient package. Thanks for tuning in today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy streaming.